various countries announcing their squads and provisional squads for Russia 2018, with the excitement building, I notice more and more people start pile up on the Brazil wagon. All some Argentina fans and England fans and all German fans are talking about Brazil this and Brazil that. Uno hop off our fender. For the record, the Maverick is a Jamaican-born Brazilian, and I don't want nobody beat up beside. First thing, my inspirational leader, Neymar, don't kick a ball from February. We don't know if and when and how he will recover from his ankle operation. And we all saw what Brazil was like without Neymar at the last World Cup. Another of my seasoned veterans, Dani Alves, is injured and out of the tournament. The last 2 World Cup games Brazil played, we get 7 in the semi-final and 3 in the third place playoff. Next thing, the first and only time a non-European team has won the World Cup title in Europe was in 1958. That is over half a century ago. And in a context where the European powerhouse is Germany, the defending champions are heading into this tournament in Europe with a strong and menacing squad. Germany must be the favorites for defending them title. And even if a non-European team can win the World Cup, then what happened to the 2014 beaten finalist Argentina with the almighty Lionel Messi in their ranks? They have no chance. Watch a man. Uno take Brazil off of your mind. Hop off of the Brazil wagon. Brazil is a dark horse for this World Cup. Yes, yes. Dark horse. Dark horse, Mr. Not darkness. Dark horse. Dark horse.